welcome back to my channel All That Natural. It's me Shrutika here. So guys, in today's video I'll be creating this makeup look right here. This is very neutral and minimal, and this can easily go with any of your outfit. Actually, it's been a while since I have uploaded any makeup tutorial on my channel, and I thought let's just do it. And this makeup is very picture friendly. Like, it literally looks like a no makeup look, and you can easily wear this makeup and do your own photo shoot at home with your phone, and just throw on some good outfits or any outfit you have, and just have fun. So guys, if you want to know how I've created this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment and click on the subscribe button below there, and also on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to know from where I got this top from, this beautiful sleeves and this denim top, then please click on the link popping right here and do give it a watch.
I know.
So talking about the eye makeup, at first I'll go with a brown shade which I will apply on all over my crease to create some depth into my eyes. I have used the Maybelline The Nudes eyeshadow palette. You can go for any brown shade you have from any palette. You can see the difference right here, that how the brown shade gives a natural depth to my eyes. Here I actually forgot to apply the makeup fixer just after my base makeup, so you need to keep in mind that you should complete these steps before starting off with your eye makeup. After that, I have gone with a very light rosy shade and applied it little bit below the previous shade and also on all over my eyelid. In real eyes, this eye makeup looks very neutral with a tinge of rosy shade to it. If you are just starting out with applying your eyeshadows, then this is the perfect makeup for you to try out. If you want to go for a complete matte look, then you can leave it up to here only. But I wanted to add a little bit of glitters and shimmers to my eye makeup, so I took these two glitter shades, mixed them up, and applied it on my eyelids in an ombre effect. That is, the glitter is starting from my lash line and it's fading out while we go upwards. After you are done with your eye makeup, just take your brush once again and mix everything up so that there are no harsh lines and everything looks very pretty and good. You can also go for eyeliner if you want to, but I feel that eyeliners overpowers the makeup if you are going for a neutral look. So I will end the makeup here only with mascara. I don't know. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you guys really liked it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back soon with a new video which will definitely be useful for you guys. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. See you soon.